Otto.
Good boy.
This is Reggie and his trainer at the dog. Oh, there's a shake. Hey, Otto.
Down.
Yeah. Oh.
Down.
His trainer's showing you the different things he can do. What has he learned?
Down.
Oh, well, there's down. There's down. Good work. Good job, Reggie. Oh, and now he found something. They had a dog getting
Here comes a pup.
hair. Oh, and maybe there's another pup to play with. I just wanted you to see what Reggie's learned. Shake, sit. That's the one we wish he'd learned a lot. He does if he's paying attention. Sometimes he doesn't pay a lot of attention. Oh, well, I hope you're having a good week, Otto. Reggie is about 5.5 months old now. And we brought him to the dog park to play, but there's really nobody to play with. So, all right, you're a good boy. Bye, Otto. Have a good week.